In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson EcoTank ET8500 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET8500 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson web page here. This is Epson ET8500. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down underneath operating system, click on the drop down and select either Windows, Mac, or Linux, whatever your device may be, and select go. And now just go down underneath recommended for you and select the driver and utility combo package installer. Once it's downloaded to your device, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Epson Inc. Select yes. And you just want to proceed with the on-screen installer here. And just make sure your printer is properly configured for your device preferences, whether you want to have a wired or wireless connection between your printer and your computer. And if you want to have any optional features installed, you're welcome to enable them at this point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.